In this guide, I'm going to show you the two best ways that you can actually go ahead and use to get advanced electrical components here in Arc Raiders. Before you do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, as I said, there is two methods to go ahead and do this. The first method is going to be through crafting. Now, you could do this by getting into the main menu of Arc Raiders and then go ahead and select Workshop up at the very top. And from here, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and install the refiner. This is what you need in order to go ahead and craft it. But once you do install the refiner, go ahead and open it up. And in this section, you can actually craft advanced electrical components using 3 wires and 2 electrical components. Now, as I said, there was two methods. The second method is a little bit more obvious. It is going to be looting. The best place that I've actually found and that the community has found in order to get these advanced electrical components is actually going to be Pilgrim's Peak. To access this, go ahead and hit play. And once you do hit play, you're going to want to go ahead and navigate over to the blue gate section right here. And if you hit inspect, it's going to bring up a page that looks like this. Go ahead and navigate up to Pilgrim's Peak. And essentially, if you don't have this unlocked yet, that's completely okay. Just look for other places on the map that do have this like little electrical symbol on it. And that's where you're going to find those advanced electrical components. Now, it doesn't just have to have that electrical symbol. It could also have that technological symbol or an industrial symbol, so just keep those in mind. But these locations have a higher chance of spawning those advanced electrical components, so they're definitely worth checking out. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.